John works for a landscaping company. He gets paid $15 for each lawn that he mows. He spends $10 on transportation each day. The equation 15 times L minus 10 equals D represents the amount of money he makes each day depending on the number of lawns that he mows that day. What does the variable L represent in this scenario? Well, I see L in the scenario. I see it's multiplied by 15. Looks like it's talking about lawns, okay? So something about the lawns. Now you might tell me it's how much money he gets for the lawns, but we know how much money he gets. We know he gets paid $15 for each lawn. So that can be my unknown, my variable. So what's the L? The L is the number of lawns that he mows, right? And if you look at our question, it says represents the amount of money he makes each day depending on the number of lawns. When you see that word depending, you know I'm about to define that variable that's in the middle of the equation, right, for you. I'm about to tell you what it represents. So his dollars depends on the number of lawns. That means the L represents the number of lawns. So that's the number of lawns that he mows that day. Part B, what does 15L represent? So now we take 15, which we said is the rate, how much money he gets paid for each lawn, and we multiply it by the total number of lawns. And what does that give me? Well, that gives me 15 times one lawn, he has $15. If he does 2 lawns, then it's 15 times 2, so it's $30. If he does 3 lawns, then it's 15 times 3, so it's $45. So what are we coming up with? When we take the 15 and we multiply it by L, we're coming up with the total amount of money that John earns for mowing L lawns, right? L representing that variable, however many lawns it happens to be.